ring bearer will be Dominic Antonio Dueñas. Run, Dominic. And of course, our usher is very important, Paul Zaragoza. Thank you very much, Mr. Paul. And of course, our sister of the groom, Patricia Guerrero. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you're sitting down, please stand up. As first and foremost, the introduction as the new Mr. and Mrs. Joe and Alma Guerrero. Oh, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. and Mrs. Joe Alma Guerrero. Let's hear it, folks. Let's not stop the cheering. Come on, we gotta hear it louder. Mr. and Mrs. Guerrero. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. and Mrs. Alma. Joe and Alma Guerrero. Of course, we're gonna start.